Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm thrilled to bring to you an in-depth review of Edify's M60 multimedia speakers. For those of you who are familiar with the channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Edify's lineup. We've reviewed some of their headphones, earbuds and speakers before. They consistently deliver fantastic quality at reasonable prices. So when I heard about the M60, I couldn't wait to dive in. We'll go over everything from unboxing to setup, a deep dive into the features, a full sound test, and my final thoughts on whether these speakers are worth adding to your setup. So guys, let's jump right in. Unboxing. So as always with Edify, the unboxing experience is super clean and professional. Everything was double box protection. And inside we have the speakers, speaker stands, a power cable, a USB-C cable, and AUX cables. All the essentials to get you set up and running right out of the box. The M60 speakers themselves have a lovely compact design, measuring just 100mm wide by 168mm high, making them ideal for any desktop or small space audio setup. Despite the small size, the build quality is solid. Each speaker is encased in a handcrafted wooden cabinet. Not only looks great, but also enhances the sound quality by reducing vibrations. The design, as you can see, is sleek and modern, with no unnecessary frills, just clean, elegant lines that really make them fit seamlessly into any setup. One thing that really caught my eye is the touch-friendly control panel at the top, as you can see there. The backlight turns on automatically when your hand approaches, which is a nice touch, especially in low light settings. The backlight lets you see exactly where the controls are without needing to turn on additional lights, and it switches off on its own. It's very efficient and stylish, and actually guys, it's a very nice touch. So overall first impression, very positive. Edify clearly put a lot of thought into making these speakers, both functional and aesthetically speaking. So how about setup? Well, setup the M60 is a breeze. The included aluminium speaker stands angle the speakers at a 50-degree tilt. Why that's good is it directs the sound at ear level. Not only does this design minimize sound, but it also stops desktop reflections. So it stops you from actually bouncing the sound back from you. So it's very good when you're sitting at your desk. The speakers themselves support Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless streaming. This is great because it's quick and easy to pair with any compatible device. There's also USB-C and AUX input at the back, as you can see just there, for wired connections. It makes these versatile for all types of audio setups, from computers to turntables. And of course guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and check out the exclusive purchase links below. You can grab the Edify M60 with a special discount just for my viewers. Now let's talk about what makes the Edify M60 special. The M60 packs a total 66 watts RMS. That's serious power guys for a compact set. Each speaker has a 1-inch silk dome tweeter for clear crisp highs and a 3-inch long aluminium diaphragm driver to handle the mids and lows. This combination results in a full, rich sound that's far beyond what you expect for such a small speaker footprint. One of the major highlights here is the digital signal processing, or DSP. Now what DSP is basically provides two-way active crossover and dynamic range control, keep the audio balanced even at higher volumes. This ensures the frequency is clear and well-defined. You won't get muddled in mids or tinny highs, which can sometimes happen with smaller speakers. And guys, I've tried computer speakers before and they haven't been anywhere near what these can do as well. And these speakers are also high-res audio certified, both in wired and wireless mode. So you're guaranteed top-tier sound quality when you're streaming over Bluetooth or connected through USB-C. For those who provide high-resolution audio files, the M60 also supports LDAC, meaning you can stream at high bit rate and really hear all the details in your favorite tracks. Guys, you know what? Now it's time to hear these speakers perform. We're going to go and do a sound test so you can hear what they sound, and let's jump back and here they went. Oh, sorry guys, got completely lost in the music. Despite their compact size, the music really did fill the room with vibrant, balanced sound that brings out the best in each genre. Guys, you can see the music coming out of the speakers. The clarity and depth are absolutely amazing. Now, I did a different kind of variety of songs there. You can see, for example, the treble was handled beautifully by the Silk Dome tweeters, which provided the crisp highs without any harshness. For bass, the 3-inch drivers bring a surprising amount of depth and warmth, thanks to long throw design. Because of the high efficiency Class D amplifier from Texas Instruments, there's no distortion either at high volumes. every note stays clean and the overall sound feels incredibly balanced. And again, you can play these with music, sound, you can play YouTube videos, Mr. Yoo-Hoo if you want. It's great. But what I found especially useful were the 3 listening modes, which are accessible through the Connex app or the touch panel. And we're going to look at these right now. So Mono mode gives you a flat frequency response, which is perfect if you're audio production or just want to hear music as it was recorded. Music mode boosts the bass and treble slightly, making it ideal for casual listening. This setting really did make vocals and bass lines pop, adding a bit of richness and warmth without overdoing it. As you see, custom mode lets you adjust bass and treble to your personal experience, allowing for a truly personalized experience. This is a great feature if you like tweaking the sound for specific genres and a bit more control. And also guys, don't forget the equalization capabilities. It's included customizable sound profiles that you can save and switch easily between. The app also allows you real-time updates to the battery status, connection type, and cleaning history, and allows you to adjust the touch panel backlight and activate Bluetooth pairing. It is straightforward to use and adds a lot of convenience. So guys, I really recommend you look up and use that. So all in all, I've really enjoyed using these speakers. As I said, Edifier has great sound quality, and it's really come through in these. They offer exceptional sound quality, versatility, and style, all packed into a compact desktop form. Between high-res audio support, built-in DSP, and multiple inputs, these speakers are perfect for anyone looking to elevate their sound. Whether you want to do it with TV, small setup, use your computer speakers, they really are powerful. So if you're looking for a sleek, powerful, and high-quality audio solution that's easy to set up straight out of the box and has great connectivity options, I highly recommend the Edifier M60. Don't forget guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the purchase link for exclusive discount, and also check out our giveaways. We give away a number of different products at Mr. Yoo-Hoo, including Edifier headphones, and we really want to appreciate you guys for doing it. Anyway, thanks for joining me here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.